if you are struggling to solo on the guitar, like you don't know how to go about it and you are lost every time a chord progression is playing, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a simple trick that the pros use to play solos that a lot of beginner and intermediate guitarists don't know. So let's get started right away. So in this video, this is what we're going to do. I'll be playing a backing track in the background, then I'll be explaining exactly what I am doing. So I want you to pick up your guitar and follow along so that you don't miss out on any step. So usually the mistake that I see a lot of people make is that when a chord progression is playing, they just switch right into the pentatonic scale. They don't even know what they are playing over, and that is one of the reasons why they are stuck. But in this method, I'm going to show you how easy it is to follow along like the pros do it. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to play the backing track right now. So don't play anything, just listen to the backing track. All right. So first thing is don't play, just listen. Okay, so on listening, you realize that the first chord is a C. Okay, then the next chord is an F. Then it goes back to C. Okay, then it goes back to a G. All right, so the mistake, like I said, is that beginners will start going to, and sometimes it sounds robotic. I want us to play something that will sound musical, and this is how the pros do it. What they do is that they play triads, and this is how it sounds like now using triads. Let me show you how to do it, right? So the first thing is to play the C triad, this shape. Then the next thing is to play an F triad like this, okay? That's the first step. Okay, that's the first step. Then the next, a G. So I want you to try it now. 2, 3, and the C triad. Then the next is an F triad. All right. Then the next step is to play it one by one. For each of those triads, play the notes one by one. Okay. So right now you're going to do the same thing. Let me play it one more time. Then the F triad. This is exactly how the pros do it. All right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and okay. Then the next one. Then you go back to the next one. Then you go back to the okay. Thank you very much. Don't worry, I'm going to attach this backing track in the description below so that I can use it to practice. Now, if you notice, this whole thing sounds more musical rather than just playing the pentatonic scale up and down. And this is what differentiates the pros from the intermediates. Now, to make it more interesting, this is what we're going to do. Instead of just playing it, da, 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 we're going to add some dynamics to it to spice it up a little bit. Are you ready? Let's get started. But before then, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed up to this point, please do that because I want to get to 50,000 subscribers by the half of the year. So help me achieve this. And if you enjoy what I'm doing, please, you can use the super thanks to support what I do. And also like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Let's get started. Now we're going to add some dynamics to it. All right. So I'm going to play something like this. You notice I'm delaying in some of them. Yeah? Can you see what I'm doing? So I want you to try now. So what you're going to do, you're going to use slides, things like slides, then repetition. All right. So are you ready? All right. So 1, 2, 3, and your turn. Okay. Next chord. All right. Can you see how it sounds interesting? It doesn't just sound like. It's better than that, all right? It sounds more musical. Now you can now add things like your pentatonic licks and add this one. So this is what I mean. So I can do something like this. Yeah? Let me do one more time. So I play my triad. I play my triad again, then lick. Then I'll play my lick. So 1, 2, 3, then you try. Go! Triad. Then the next one is your lick. Okay? So you're going to triad, lick. Right? Okay. So all together, I go again. So all together, I go again. So this is one of the methods that the pros use to sound professional, musical, melodic with their playing, not just robotic stuff up and down the fretboard. And if you're one of those people that plays like this and you want to take it another step, I've created a course that teaches soloing from scratch using all of these things, and I'm going to link it in this video description. And you heard me playing triads. If you have no idea how to play triads, I've already created videos on how to do it, so the link is above. And if you want to take your soloing to the next level, I advise you to watch this next video right now.